Can you stand up, Maria?
Take it for the long way round. 2 bottles whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my word, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my word, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round. No one could views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers. It's that type to give you shivers, but it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere. You're sure gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Hey, Maria?
Yeah.
Okay, at the very top of the lyric sheet, I've got here, use your mouth. Use mouth. We stop using your mouth in the chorus halfway through, Maria. Okay, so we've got to make sure we keep using your mouth. Can you sing the chorus for me, Maria? Can you sing it up?
Isn't this when I'm gone, yeah?
Yeah. But the bit we've got to use your mouth more is...
Okay. Yeah.
Is that like me, Maria? Hear me? You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Do you want to sing that for us?
Okay. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
And what's that gone? Gone. We want to go a little smile. Gone. What's my smile, Maria? What's my smile? Hear me? What's me? Gone. Your turn.
Gone.
Okay, what's my smile? I want a little bit of a smile. Gone. Better. Hear me. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Your turn.
You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Good. Let's go with the next. Now, Maria, we've got to stand up. Still stand up for me, Maria. Still stand up. You've got to. Let's not drop it off there at the end. So it's going to be like this. When I'm gone. Miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Sing that for me, Maria.
When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
That was better. Good work.
I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottles whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round, the one prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, and the lights give you shivers, but it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my rock. You're gonna miss me by my taco. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone. When I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone. When I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
All right, cool. That was better, Maria. Just make sure that we get up a little bit more on that. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You got to make sure you just get up a little bit more on those. Hold those ends straight. So you can see all the arrows that I've done here, Maria. Make sure we hold these. They're gone, hair, where, and gone straight. Don't drop them off, yeah?